What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Ethernity chain, which has been pumping in value like crazy. 52% up guys, making it $2.53 at the moment. So where is this crypto going next? What is it going to drop down in value? Is it going to keep going up? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at over the long run, is it a good investment? Obviously also giving guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at, if it's a good crypto, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the Coinbase website right now, and as you can see, it is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, and in the last hour itself managed to gain 4%. But we can clearly see it has been very volatile. Over the last day 55%, over the week 61%, and over the month 83%. So as you can see, it's been up and down, more or less fluctuating around 130, 140, 150 as well, somewhere around there. But earlier on today, this afternoon, shall I say, about 5, 6, 7 hours ago, it decided to pump up like crazy. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the coin market cap website, and we've got the trading volume has gone up by a massive 311% in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane, making it $70 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ethernity chain. We've got 50% buy against 50% sell, so we literally got half the people buying, investing into it, and the other half selling the crypto, potentially taking out the profits and reinvesting when it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen we do have the candlestick pattern chart. I'm going to get out the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So I'm just going to draw it right now and then hide it, and I'm going to get the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we also got the purple line here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing ERN at 153. However, it is trading at much higher value at $2.38, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected over the next, let's say, 12 to 14 hours. However, that is not what I'm predicting guys. I'm expecting it to slightly start to drop down in value. If you guys know, I've always mentioned this in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, it has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Ethernity chain. So I'm expecting it to take a little dip, potentially dropping to around the $2 mark, but that does not mean it's going to be consistently dropping in value to around the $2 mark over the next 12-14 hours. Of course not. We are going to see a peak as well, so it may even go up to the $3 mark, $3.20 later on today over the next couple of hours, and then drop back down. But let's say by very early tomorrow morning to midday tomorrow, I'm expecting it to drop down to around the $2 mark and fluctuate somewhere around there. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days it's still the same. The blue line and the orange line are still looking bullish, going in a very steep direction. The only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, it's going to keep going for a bull run, so on and so on. But again, that is not the case. I'm expecting it to step back down a little bit. So over the next couple of days, I'm expecting it to more or less still stay around $1.80 to $2 mark, somewhere around there over the next couple of days. So by next couple of days, I mean, let's say towards the end of next week, we should expect it to more or less stay between $1.80 to the $2 mark. However, Yes, there are going to be green days when it's up, red days when it's down. It's going to be again volatile, up and down, but again the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more realistic, and it's not even looking as steep as the previous two charts, but we are still looking bullish, going in a positive direction. So the next couple of weeks, I'm talking about late August to early September, we should hopefully be heading towards the $3.50 target. So hopefully we should be increasing in value in a slow and steady pace. However, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, guys. We may see major crashes like what's happened, pretty much the whole of 2022, or we may see a bull run, going up in value, so on and so on. So these things have a major impact on the whole crypto market, which also includes the Ethernity chain. So I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. But for those of you who wants to get updated regularly on a daily basis, I've made it easier for you guys. I have created a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, as pretty much Bitcoin drives the whole market in a positive and negative direction, because it is one of or the biggest cryptocurrency out there. So if you guys want to get involved and want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and guys, over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. But don't worry, for those of you guys who do get in for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So what does this subscription include? So you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin every single day on what to expect, what to predict, is it moving in a bullish or bearish direction, and I give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. Any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again guys, the link is again in the description box down below. So back to Ethernity chain and its Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are not looking too good. We are trading in the red zone, and we have been trading in the red zone since, let's have a look here, let's say last August. We dropped into the red zone, peaked back up, tried to hit into the green zone, but we failed, resisted, and we've just been getting worse and worse and worse. And for us to hit the green zone, we're gonna have to hit at least $18.32, which we are way too far away from at the moment. We're gonna have to go through at least about an 800 to 900% increase for us to even hit this resistance target to get into the green line, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. So more or less guys, for most of the year, it's likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter. All that matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, we should be good. But yeah, so far we are stuck in the red zone, man. These are my predictions. Let me know what your expectations are on ERN. How high or how low are you guys predicting this crypto to go? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And that is pretty much it guys for today's video. Just a quick one on this crypto. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.